Bailey, I promise to protect you till my body gives out and doing some more. I promise to be your rock regardless of what life throws at us. I promise to make as many of your dreams as possible a reality. I will also promise to continue to be awkward and have poor social skills just so that I can embarrass you. I will additionally promise to learn to love your usage of "we" and your annoying claps during football games, as well as promise to remind myself daily that yes, Disney is in fact also for adults. But in the end, Bailey, I promise to live by your side, fully committed, always striving to be my best for you and our future family, always.
Patrick, I promise to love you for the rest of my days. I promise to be with you on the hills and in the valleys. I promise to be your constant in this world of change. I also promise to never cheat on a board game. I also promise to unfailingly yell, "Kobe!" every time I toss something in a bucket. And I promise to serenade you. Ah! And finally, I'm lucky to be your person. Love always, Bailey.
Bailey,
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of my vow,
as a symbol of my vow.
with all that I am
With all that I am
and all that I have,
and all that I have,
I honor you.
I honor you.
Patrick,
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of my vow,
as a symbol of my vow.
with all that I am
With all that I am
and all that I have,
and all that I have,
I honor you.
I honor you.
It says, love is patient, love is kind, it does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud, it's not rude, it's not self-seeking, it's not easily angered, it keeps no records of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. Love never fails.
of our family. I know she's been only child at the moment, and having a brother is kind of, you know, I'm used to having just one brother and one that, but being able to have somebody else in the family back together with us is nice. When, you know, two brothers together, it's a nice thing to have, but, you know, when you have as somebody would call a sister to being with us and add to the family, is always something great to have. So I just want to welcome Bailey to the family, and I'm glad to have both of you together, and I hope that everything in the future goes together, and I want to be there for everything that you guys go through.
As we've grown into the women that we are today, Bailey and I have woven our friendship into the ever-changing lives of young adults. So I've gone away for school, she's been away for school, but we've always kind of come back together. And that's what's so special about our friendship. So no matter how much time goes by, we always come back together like those two little bleach fawn tan skin girls. And for this reason, along with many others, I'm so excited to watch Bailey grow into a loyal and loving wife, just like she's been as my friend. What I've learned and what I can wish for you guys is a lifetime of vulnerability. I'm not going to pretend like I have it together enough to give you and Patrick advice. But what I can give you is a few words written by C.S. Lewis. To love at all is to be vulnerable. Love anything in your heart will be wrung and possibly broken. If you want to make sure of keeping it intact, you must give it to no one, not even an animal. Wrap it up carefully, round with hobbies and little luxuries. Avoid all entanglements. Lock it up safe in the casket or coffin of your selfishness. But in that casket, safe, dark, motionless, and airless, it will change. It will not be broken, it will become unbreakable, impenetrable, and irredeemable. But to love at all is